everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today's video is a tutorial for Waterfall metal die set. I have cut the circle and the bar in white paper. And for this square frame, I cut 8 times in blue and 8 times in light blue. And for this small square, it is for decorative layer. I cut 16 times. This butterfly paper is very beautiful. And we use this small circle die to get a small hole in the middle of this butterfly paper. Okay, now we fold the circle according the dot lines. Fold each line. Okay, and then I stick double-sided tape onto each small fan-shaped part. Complete tips, I stick decorator layer onto blue square papers. Done for total 16 squares. Next, stick squares onto the circle one by one. I stick one light blue and then one blue. Okay, all squares combined. It seems very fun. Now I'll take out this bar, fold it, and stick it. Then I connect the bar and the butterfly paper. I use a small two-legged nail. Okay, it turns out in this way. The bar can rotate. Then we combine the squares, bar, butterfly paper, and card base. Okay, the waterfall card done and the seams work well. Actually, worked stunning and very smooth. This waterfall card is very easy to make and have lots of fun. It is also very nice for photo album. Okay, it's today's tutorial. I hope the video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.